Good evening, Manpreet Kaur. I know you are going for Bank of India credit officer post, but I have forgotten what is the degree you studied.
So I have done MBA in Finance and Marketing in 2015 from Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar.
Excellent. Now, um, tell us about you, about your family, and about your village, about your any other points you would like to tell about your state. Tell about it.
Okay, my name is Manpreet Kaur. I'm from Gurdaspur, Punjab. Gurdaspur is a very largest district of the Punjab, and it is a famous for the Baba Shri Chand Gurdwara. It is a holy place, and it is a Gurdwara of Sikhism. Many people come there and worship there. And my state is very famous. Amritsar is a very famous place because there is a holy place like a golden temple. Most of the people came there and worship there. Foreign people also come there, and my hobbies are my hobbies are playing badminton and dancing. And my strengths are I have a good communication skills. I can communicate well with the people, and I have a good leadership skill. I can lead the team, and I am a quick learner. If you guide me in appropriate way, I will learn quickly. So in my family, there are five members: my mother, father, and two siblings. As I am married, so in my in-laws family, there are eight members: my husband, my mother, and father-in-law, and my brothers-in-law, and one sister-in-law. My sister-in-law is married, and my brothers-in-law are studying, and my husband is doing job as a clerk in Treasury Department.
Very good. Excellent. You told nicely. Who is the governor of Punjab now?
Banwari Lal Purohit is the governor of Punjab.
Good. So you want to come to banking industry. Do you know what are the qualities required for becoming a credit officer? First,
Yes, the
first, tell me what are the job and responsibilities of credit officer. Then tell me what are the qualities required in a credit officer.
Okay. Uh, the role of credit officers are to prepare the loan application and to check the check the credit worthiness of the clients, and the check the financial status of the client, and they have to evaluate the risk, and then they approve or reject the loan application of the clients. And the qualities of the credit officer required is they have a good communication skills, and they have a good decision making skills and leadership skills, so they can decide which clients we have to take the loan or not. So these things are required for the credit officer.
Yeah. Tell me about Bank of India.
Uh, Bank of India is the one of the largest public sector bank of India, and it was established in 7th September 1906, and it was nationalized in 1969. And the Bank of India has 5,131 branches in India, all over the states and UTs, and they are controlled by the 69 zonal offices, and there are 21 overseas branches all in the 15 foreign countries. And now recently Bank of India has they opened its branch in Gift City, Gujarat, and its main aim is to achieve the meaning is to achieve the target business of $1 billion by the end of the year 2024, and it's also they expect to achieve the target of $4 billion in the next 3 years by the 2027. And the Bank of India tagline is relationship beyond banking, and its logo is a star with the 5 sides, and inside the star there is a woman who wearing a sari, and there is a lion. The Bank of India has are doing better in the last recent quarter. The global business is increased by 8.61%, and its advances increased by 8.48%, and total deposit is 8.71%, and its net NPA, gross NPA is 6.67%, and its net NPA is 1.65%, and its net interest income is 5,915 crore, and its net interest margin is 3.03%. And the Bank of India's shareholding patterns are 81.41% shares are held by the Indian government, and the LIC is holding 7.05% shares, and Indian public is 5.07%, and others is 5.83%. Bank of India are also doing better in financial inclusion, such as Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, in Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, and Atal Pension Yojana. And there are 4 domestic subsidiaries of Bank of India's are Bank of India Merchant Bankers Limited, Bank of India Shareholding Limited, Bank of India Trustee Services Limited, Private Limited, Bank of India Investment Manager Limited. And the achievement of Bank of India's are the Bank of India has won numero uno in the Atal Pension Yojana National Achievement Award by the PAFRDA for the good performance in Atal Pension Yojana. And Bank of India also won Utkarsh Puraskar for the DG Dhan 2020 DG Award for 2023 from the Union Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology for the good performance in digital payments. And the credit rating rating agency also rate Bank of India good, like ICRA Care, and Indian rating also rate AA+ to the Bank of India, which means Bank of India position is stable.
Yeah. Yeah, you were able to talk nicely.
That's it.
Do you think you have omitted some important points? No, because I am not able to
I
trace
think
here.
CASA ratio and
Yeah, CASA ratio, and about other things, about.
and
Did you tell about the
the share
total-
price of Bank of India? I think.
Yeah, those things you can tell. CASA ratio you can tell. Then 1 minute, because I am not able to get the one.
Market capitalization, I forgot.
Market capitalization also you can. Yeah, because in other bank interview they are asking about what is the market share, but I think this is in terms of total business. What is the level of our Bank of India? In what stage is it standing? I know you are not prepared for this, because I never told you should look at it from this angle. But still, see, this is the one. Bank of India performance presentation.
So I have learned only.
I have only March 2023. Have I not given you 30th March, June figure? Have I given that in your videos or
So you have
material?
sent. Yes,
No,
sir. Yes,
I have given it, no?
you have given it. Yes, sir.
I am not able to get it. Bank of Credit IT officers. 1 minute, hold on. Presentation PDF, March 23 only I am getting here. 1 minute. March 23 I have given. From that, maybe we have to see certain things. Doesn't matter. Now come to the current affairs. What are the current affairs you are going to talk? Yes, please.
Sir, the Governor RBI Governor Shri Shaktikan Das has rated A plus. I think A plus rated in the global financial central banker 2023. And the GST collection in the August was increased by 11%, that is rupees 1.59 trillion. And recently the railway board appoint MD and CEO, first woman is Jaya Verma. And the UPI transaction also crosses rupees 10, crosses 10 billion.
Good. Now come to credit. We will go to credit. Please tell me what is term loan, what is overdraft, what is cash credit?
Overdraft is a facility which are provided by the bank who are holding a current account. They can withdraw money even if they have a deposit, if they have a money in their account or not. And the interest rate is higher than cash credit. And they can also deposit the they can also submit their security, submit a fixed asset as the security. And in cash credit we submit the security as the stocks. And the cash credit, the interest rate is higher, lower than overdraft. And yeah.
Now please tell me, how will you assess a working capital facility?
Could you please repeat the question?
How will you assess working capital facility for a customer? Assessment of working capital. You are not prepared on this.
I know what is working capital. It is the amount which are it is the amount of current assets which are current assets that are left after subtracting the current liabilities. It can quickly convert it into the cash, and we can pay our short-term debts through this cash.
You are not understood. You are not understood the question.
Yes, but I don't know how to assess the working capital for the customer.
What is an example of working capital assessment? What you just search in Google, you will get it. Working capital refers to the amount the company requires to finance the day-to-day operations. An example of this includes working capital of 1 lakh with a manufacturer, which is calculated by subtracting current liabilities from the current assets. No, but I think have I given you Indian Bank material, promotion material?
No, sir.
I must have given you. 1 minute. Just a minute. No, there are 3 methods of working capital assessment, Any MBA candidate is here? Any MBA candidate?
Sir, I am an MBA student.
Finance. Are you a finance student?
Yes, sir.
Then why are you blinking? Hello.
Actually, yes, sir. Actually, I have done in 2015, so I forget some things.
1 minute. See, there are. See, basically, you are going for credit officers. So you are an MBA student. So you must be able to
Yes, sir.
tell about this. What
Okay,
is
sir.
the how to calculate working capital? 1 minute. Deposit products, rural banking, retail assets for risk management, legal aspects. Just a minute. I will search here and then tell you. I must be able to get it. India banks working capital assessment methods. How do banks assess working capital requirements? First one is sales turnover method. Second one, cash budget method. Third one, predefined inventory and receivables holding method. I am giving this in your WhatsApp group. See, if only you had searched in Google, you will get it. 1 minute. This is a favorite question for Punjab National Bank credit officers and for you people also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then I am showing you this. Yeah. See, you search like this in Google, you will get lot of questions like this. What are the methods of
Okay, sir.
assessment of bank finance? Operating cycle method, drawing power method, turnover method, maximum permissible. This is the famous one. Maximum permissible bank finance, turnover method. These two are important. So please go through questions like this and then prepare. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
please tell me what are the 4 C's banks use to evaluate for a loan application? What are the 4 C's banks will evaluate for a loan application?
I don't know.
Character, capacity, capital, collateral, and conditions.
Conditions.
The 4 C's that banks have to measure is character of the party, capacity of the party, capital of the party, what are the collaterals offered
Conditions.
and conditions offered. Why is it not a routine thing which I'm sure is given in many of the materials given to you? You candidates have not studied. Anyhow, thank you. Manpreet. See, the questions will, there can be simple questions like, Nandan, shut up. Nandan, you are disturbing us quite. How can you keep it on like this and talk? Nandan, you are from which state?
Sorry, sir. Sorry. It's my mistake.
Which state are you coming from?
I'm from Karnataka.
So where are you? Are you staying in a hostel?
Yes, sir.
Where are you staying now?
Now I'm in library, sir. In front of library.
Library. So library people
Yes, sir.
should not talk. Why don't you tell them not to talk? But again, you can't talk when I ask questions to you.
Sorry, sir.
So that's a problem. You
Sorry, sir.
better get out of the library, go to a place where you are not having disturbance.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So what is that? Manpreet, You have a very good confidence level. You are able to answer the questions well. But sometimes when difficult questions like this comes, then if you don't know, you tell them that you don't know, nothing wrong. Because, but they can't accept this answer from you. You are an MBA in finance. If you are a BA economic student, then they can accept it. Do you follow, Manpreet?
Yes, sir.
Even now it is not late. Why have you not prepared? Your interview is only on 11th. Na?
Yes, sir.
Please start preparing it vigorously from credit angle.
Okay, sir.
And in the credit officers questions I have given, all these are given. Na? And in fact, you only posted in our group about all these questions. What is balance sheet? What is working capital method? What is term loan assessment, like this? So many questions you only posted. 1 minute. Hold on. Okay, that's what it is. Manpreet,
Yes, sir.
do you have any questions to ask me? No.
sir.
But I don't know why I landed up in this question. But this one you have to prepare. But I wish they don't ask you this question. But you only supplied one question paper about State Bank of India credit officer and all. You only posted it, na? In your group also you posted, correct? WhatsApp group.
No, sir. Actually, someone posted.
Someone else. Acha.
Yes.
So those questions you have to prepare, Baba.
Okay, sir.
Those questions you must be in a position to answer most of them at least. And especially because you are MBA, fine.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise not much of a problem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please prepare. Thank you.
Okay,
So
sir.
then
Thank
tell me what are the subsidiaries of Bank of India?
Bank of India Merchant Bankers Limited, Bank of India Shareholding Limited, Bank of India Trustee Services Private Limited, Bank of India Investment Manager Private Limited.
Very good. Excellent. Like this, yeah. Please prepare. Best wishes. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You need to prepare more. And you can
So how will
reduce.
you score me?
No, you can score is I will give you, because I know you, I will give you 9. But whether others will give, I don't know. Understand? The one
Yes,
problem
yes,
right
sir.
from day one has been that I have been rating you very high. But unfortunately, you could not clear even LIC ADO. Correct?
Yes.
You are
Sir,
that
I
guy.
cleared.
You are that guy. Acha, you cleared that job. Oh,
Yes, sir.
but
But
you
I
didn't.
didn't join because they
Acha,
are
because
signing
a lot of
contract for 3 years.
contract for that is the reason. Very
Yeah.
good.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Best wishes. Then they will select you
Thank
here
you,
also.
sir.
Here also they will select you.